Hi everybody, DICL back again. Today I'm showing up all of my collection that I have here of dinosaurs, heroes, and animals. So I have here a row of birds and some other animals here, snakes, kangaroo, and the seahorse. I have there some chickens, hens, roosters, and I have owls, peacocks, ducks, and sea animals, pigs, tapirs, hippopotamus, turtles, frogs, crocodiles, sheep, cat-like animals. Got some raccoons, some dogs, telephone, foxes, wolf. I'm just gonna show you guys without talking, okay? So, you have all of this, okay? So I'm going to try to show you all of it at once. Here it is. Is it awesome? Tell us in the comments if it's awesome. So now I'm going to this row here. So I have Flash, Batman, a dragon. I have a flying dinosaur, a Kentrosaurus, Carnotaurus, Spinosaurus, and a Giganotosaurus. There I have giraffes, elephants, horses. Now here I have cows, rhinoceros, deers, and antelopes, ostriches, penguins, camels, okapis, and bears. I have now apes and primates here. I have some pteranodons and squirrels, and now here are the cats, all the way over here. And then I have raccoons, skunks, wolverines, and then I have dogs like hyenas, wolves, foxes, dogs, Tilsons, African painted dogs, Dalmatians, and I have others, guinea pigs, meerkats, platypus, beaver, rabbits. Then I have sheep, goat, pigs, tapir, hippopotamus, turtles, frogs, lizard, Pagano lizard, crocodiles. Then I have crocodiles, sea mammals, some ducks, peacock, chickens, owls, snakes, seahorse, pangolin, kangaroo, storks, seagull, pelican, macaws, budgie, sea parrot or puffin. I have eagles and vultures. So here's the collection, as I showed you before. And I already make 4 parts of my collection, and I'll still go on. Maybe next week I'll make more videos. So stay tuned and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!